Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Nicole here from Lavender Lush Cleaning, and our channel is all about helping busy families to keep clean homes, more organized homes in a very simple way. So I thought today would be a great day to talk about 5 habits that people with really clean homes tend to have in their lives that make things just more clean, more organized, and less stressful. These are 5 easy things that you can implement in your own life today, so let's get started. The very first habit is making the bed. People that have a habit of making their bed every single day tend to start their day with a win. It's something easy that you can do in just a few minutes, and when you come home from a really long day, it is just so nice to see a nice clean bed just waiting for you to snuggle up in and relax after a lot of work. The second habit is tidying as you go. If you make it a really good habit to always tidy up in every room that you leave, you're cleaning up little things here and there without having to let it all pile up and then have a huge job waiting for you after a week or a couple weeks of just having to deep clean a room that's just gotten out of control. The third habit that people with really clean homes have is that they are constantly wiping down surfaces. It only takes a couple seconds, and if you think about it, if you make a mess on a counter and you wipe it up rather than let it sit and wait until the next day, you're cleaning up things on the counter that harbor bacteria, but also that can really settle in and be a lot harder to clean if you just wait forever to clean it up. The fourth habit that people with really clean and organized homes have is that they do a load of laundry every day or every couple days, depending on how much laundry you go through every single week, depending on the size of your family. But if you do it frequently rather than waiting until the end of the week when there's so many loads of laundry. I don't know if you're anything like me. If I have a ton of loads of laundry to do, I tend to wash it, forget to dry it, have to rewash it, and then dry it, and then I have piles of laundry just sitting around that I'm just dreading folding. Okay, and the fifth habit that we wanted to share with you all is keeping the dishes clean. Yes, sometimes at the end of the day, I don't want to do the dishes, I just want to go to bed. But making sure to load those up in the dishwasher or hand wash them, it prevents things from getting too stuck on. It prevents piles of dishes from really building up and becoming too overwhelming. So if you do the dishes in between meals, if you do them at least by the end of the day without going to bed with a sink full of dirty dishes, it will help just to keep you more motivated to keep things clean. And it's a lot nicer to wake up to, honestly. I really hope these tips have helped you to keep a cleaner home in a very simple way. Until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this content and you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos.